Hello. We want to help you to give up smoking, and in this video we'll provide you with our 5 top tips. You can call in at your pharmacist at any time or can book an appointment through the receptionist at your GP surgery. Your pharmacist or nurse can enrol you on a stop smoking clinic, provide advice and prescribe nicotine replacement therapies. The Smoke-Free website is used by millions of people like you to stop smoking. Take a look around and see how you can get help. Remember, you're not on your own, and it's free. You can ring, email, or chat online. You're 4 times more likely to quit successfully with the help of your local stop smoking service. You can find out how to access it on the Smoke-Free website or call the Smoke-Free National Helpline to speak to a trained advisor. If you have a craving, call the Smoke-Free National Helpline before you light up. They can help just when you need it. Giving up smoking can cause nicotine withdrawal symptoms, which include cravings, headaches, feeling irritable and not being able to sleep. Stop smoking medicines can help you manage these withdrawal symptoms. Speak to your GP about these. And nicotine replacement therapies, NRTs, including patches, gum, lozenges, microtabs, inhalators and nasal sprays, can also be bought from pharmacies and other shops such as supermarkets without a prescription. Remember, you don't have to quit smoking on your own. It's much easier to do it with the right information, advice and support.